All right, I've waited long enough. We're in the heart of Atlanta, Georgia, where they say our water is bad, which means inherently our bread and our donuts should be bad as well. But we're gonna test that theory though. Today, we're checking out a Los Angeles staple called Randy's Donuts. You've probably seen that big donut somewhere, whether it be on social media or maybe even Iron Man 2. But we're not in LA today, baby, because not long ago, Randy's took its talents south to right here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm finally going. I almost forgot, I'm not going alone. This is my dad. My dad passed in 2024. Loved his donuts. It's kind of what we bonded over every now and then. And so I figured it's only right for him to come with me, not only because he likes food, but because back in 2023, he and I did an episode, one of the first short form episodes of Bald Appétit at Randy's Donuts in Los Angeles.
We at Randy's, and if these folks get on out the way. All right, so we're gonna run Glazed as usual. That's the standards, but Randy got all these specialties. Glazes.
Bald Appétit.
Oh yeah.
Randy's has always been one of my favorite places. Probably not the best to eat on a regular basis, but today we're making an exception. I've always been a donut connoisseur. I've traveled many of the world and had donuts from around the country. I gotta say, the Midwest and the Northeast, we got locked down on the donut game. And I think that has something to do maybe with just like the water and how that translates into the yeast and the bread that's made. We made our way up the highway and it was really hard to find it, Lennox, but we finally found the shipping container for Randy's. It's been kind of a struggle to get the city to agree to have the Randy's donut here. They finally put it in. Morning, how are you? I'm gonna do a chocolate glaze. We'll do one regular glaze as well. Thank you so much. Go ahead and enjoy these bad boys. Pop, got the Randy's Donuts. Y'all see what it is. It's time to make it happen. Got Pop next to me. First review, the donuts didn't look nearly as good as how they look in LA. They kind of looked a little dry, and it's early in the morning, so that's not good. Yeah, they're looking a little dry, bruh. I've just seen better looking Randy's donuts. These are my go-tos when I do get donuts, so we gotta try both. All right, we're gonna start with the glazed, basic glazed. I love how it has the pattern on top. That's kind of why I vibe with Randy's, so let's try it. It's not bad. Oh, it's very fluffy. And it's actually really good. Looks are 100% deceiving. Wow. I'm not gonna eat the chocolate one right now, the full thing, or either of these, because I got coffee at the crib, and I gotta have it with my coffee. But for the sake of the video, let's just bite into this joint. Yeah, they did that right, Pop, I ain't gonna lie. The taste is pretty consistent. I would say that the one in LA is better. Bald Appétit. Donuts are like my thing. They're like my comfort food, you know what I'm saying? Everybody has a comfort food. Anyway, let's get these back to the house. We'll do our final review at the house. Donuts, cereal, Raisin Bran, but I wanted to have my donuts with my coffee. Randy's is top tier. Everybody in LA knows that. I don't know if people in Atlanta will know that. It wasn't really easy to get to the donut shop. The donuts didn't look that great in the glass. They do taste just about the same. We love the orange box. It's a staple. Anyway, cheers. You gotta dunk your donut on your coffee. Boy, I don't know about that. Now, I'm not really a food channel, but I do like food stuff. And doing Bald Appétit, yeah, that'll be like a section of our channel. It's just Jordan on the loose, baby. That's what we do. Shout out to my boy Blake's Munchies. Amazing food channel, foodie content creator in his own right. Make sure y'all go tap in with him. He is here on YouTube, but he's really popping on TikTok and Instagram as well. I am editing some longer form videos for him, which has been fun. It's fun making content around food. Yeah, it's like, why not? And we got a name like Bald Appétit, you know? You gotta do what you gotta do. Let's dip this one in the coffee too. Wild Appétit.